Today, we're looking at one of the most lifelike robots ever built. Meet Unitree's new humanoid, the H2 Destiny Awakening. And yes, it really does move like a human. This robot stands about 5'11", weighs 154 pounds, roughly the size of an adult man. But it moves with a smoothness that's hard to believe. In its debut video, the H2 poses, spins, and even shows off karate moves that would make Bruce Lee proud. Some people thought the footage was AI generated, but it's 100% real. Built by Unitree Robotics in China, the H2 follows the company's earlier models, the H1, which once claimed the title of the world's fastest humanoid, and the smaller G1, famous for the acrobatic side flips. The new H2 seems to combine the speed of the H1 with even more balance and control. Under the hood, we're looking at around 27 degrees of freedom, powerful torque, 120 Newton meters in the arms and up to 360 in the legs. And advanced sensors, including 3D lidar and a 360-degree depth sensing. That's what gives it those eerie human-like motions. So how does this benefit you? Well, technologies like this are shaping the next generation of industrial, inspection and service robots. Think robots that can safely help in warehouses, constructions and even home someday. The smoother the motion, the more practical and reliable they become. The Unitree H2 Destiny Awakening shows how close we're getting to humanoid robots that can truly work alongside people. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robots can transform your business, head over to RoboPhil website to join the waiting list or to speak to the team about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from RoboPhil. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.